My goal for this video is just to show you one of the quickest ways to become a self-published author, and that's through an adult coloring book. They're very, very popular right now. You can put this thing on Amazon KDP if you want to, but I'm gonna show you how to do this as a printable on your own website, and it's just a really fast way to become a self-published author. So the first step for how to make coloring books to sell is to choose the problem that you're gonna solve with your coloring book. Every single coloring book, every book, period, needs to be a solution to somebody's problem. You're gonna hear me say that a lot in this video. So you gotta choose what problem you solve. In my coloring book, I solved the problem of a woman of faith who was dealing with anxiety. So this really helps with that, right? Mindfulness is pretty much the cure for anxiety. If you didn't know, I'm working with my therapist on that one. And so that's why I created that. That's the specific problem that I solved. But there's lots of different problems that you can solve. So let's dive into my computer and do this step. I like to use Amazon.com to find problems to solve in my business. Actually, I already know what my coloring book is going to be, but I just wanted to show you. So if I just search coloring books for adults, I'll see the top searches. So relaxation, easy, Disney, Christmas. So I could do one for Christmas, which is pretty. Look at this. What are the most popular themes for adult coloring books? So I'm just going to click it. And now let me just see what's selling really, really well. So sort by bestsellers. Whoops, sorry about that cuss word. People of Walmart, calm down. Make mindfulness. Oh my goodness, so many cuss words. Y'all for real? Calmness. Florals. Okay, this might be a really nice, easy one. So 4,000 purchased in the past month. So yes, that is 100% what I'm going to go with. Seems easy. I'm just going to click on it. Let's see. Flower coloring books for adults. Okay, so they have 40 pages. Not bad. 8.5 by 11. Okay. So 40 pages, 8.5 by 11. Very, very simple. And I know it's popular because they sell it. Now, they are Crayola. Look, it's the Crayola store. So their marketing campaign might be really, really intense. So you just got to keep that in mind. So my problem I'm solving is stress relief with floral coloring. The second step for how to make coloring books to sell is to now go ahead and produce your coloring book. We're going to use Canva, but you can use any AI software that you want to. I just like Canva because it's so simple. It's free of charge. And yeah, you're going to see how simple this is. So now I need to go ahead and produce my coloring book. You can do this in any AI that you want to. I'm only using Canva because it's free and it's easy. But you can produce this in any AI that you want to. So I'm going to go here to custom size. I'm going to choose 8.5 by 11. And you're going to make pretty much a traditional coloring book. So I need my cover page. I like to always just add my, just to know where stuff is. So cover page, floral coloring book for stress relief. I'm not going to copy exactly what the other coloring book is because that will get me sued. So don't do that. And then I need 40 pages. I'm just going to make the first one at this point. So I'm just going to go to elements. I'm just going to put a little border and you'll see why. In just a moment. But I always start with my border. Copy, paste, copy, paste. And these are printable, so I forgot to say, go to File, Settings, and then show your margins. Because people are going to be printing these out, you need to make sure that it doesn't bleed when they print it at home. So just make sure everything's in that margin. Excellent. And then we need our back page. And I would recommend you do an about the author, but you don't have to, but I recommend it. About the author. All right, so I got my little placeholders here. So now I just need to produce the coloring book, which you see is very simple. So go over on the left, Magic Media, and make sure it's on images. And I'll put, can you please create a coloring book page of a rose? Just hit enter or whatever your coloring book is. Let it generate. And then just find the one that you like. So I'm in between these two. I'll go with this one. And I'm just going to size it so it fits. Go to edit, go to adjust, and just adjust your contrast to make it more white. Because you want people to be able to really color this stuff in. Okay. And now go to over here, position to back. Awesome. And now you have that in the back. You just size it. And we need to put our frames up front, arrange forward. And that's why I like to do those first. So now that I have that here, I can make these white, 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 white. And if you want, you can give it a little bit of a border. You don't have to. But just to make it so that the inside is black. I've seen a lot of coloring books do that. I'm not the biggest fan of it. I like it being clean, but some people like that. So if you want to do that, you just go and you make another line and you fit it on your margin, make the color black, like that. And you can thicken up the line if you want. You know, I see a lot of people do that. And you would just copy and paste it. Then we rotate 90 degrees. And boom, you have your first coloring book page, just like that. So we would want to do 40, right, to match. So I'm just going to duplicate that. I'll say go back. Please generate a coloring book page of a lily. You know, just do whatever types of flowers you like. Not really a big to do. I'm really liking this one. So you can just drag it and replace it. And then it should adapt all the effects that you put on here. Usually it'll just take it on. So let's just make sure. Yep, it did. Let me turn up the brightness a little bit. Get a little less detail in there. And then you would just keep doing this. So let me go back. Please generate a coloring book page image of a sunflower. And do that. Ooh. I'm gonna go with this one. Look at all that detail. Beautiful. There you go. So just keep doing that for as many as you need. And then once you're done, you want to go ahead and make the front cover page. So never copy, right? Never copy, but we can model. So I'm going to do for coloring book for stress relief. I'll probably do a really nice font like this one. I'll make my background something very flowery, rose red. Oh, these are pretty. This is a very lovely color. So let me see what colors match with this. Rose red. Maybe this. Maybe we'll just do this little off color. Gotta get rid of this guy. I'm just gonna play with my spacing. I'm going to play with my outline. And I like to do this because it makes it harder for people to rip me off. Let me tell you, girl, people be copying. It's so annoying. Coloring books for stress relief. Just make this left. I play around a lot with book titles. And then I'm going to go over here to elements. I'm going to search flowers. Now this is my free Canva account, so I don't get as much as I usually do. On my paid account, I get way more. I'm just going to grab some flowers and just lay them. Let's grab this one. Just trying to make it look all pretty. Maybe I'll actually do it like this. Okay. That'll be my title page. And I'm just going to make this my back cover page. And then for the about the author, just like a regular about the author page that you usually see, I'll just add a little bit of body text. I'll probably grab this same exact graphic because this is a printable. About the authors. I don't expect them to print out this page, but if you are in my course, you know I tell you to promote other stuff. So this is no different. Use this section to promote other products that you have. Very, very important to do. So here at Godlywood Girl, I create coloring books for adults to help relieve stress. Make sure you shop my full collection by visiting godlywoodgirl.com. And then what's cool about Canva, because this is a printable, I can select this, hit link, and I can put in my actual link. Whoops, .com. Done. Done. Just make this, let's say Arial. Make this very big, left aligned. I like a lot of spacing. And if I had a picture of myself, I would likely put a little picture here, but whatever. I'm actually gonna make that centered, looks better. I can make this bigger so it fits on the page. And just to make it nice and pretty, let me just get one of these and just put it over here. Maybe I'll just rotate it a little bit. All right, there we go. About the author, make it straight. Okay, beautiful. So I didn't obviously make 40 pages. I just wanted to show you, how to actually do it. But this is our ebook right here. This is our printable. So we're going to deliver this to somebody when they purchase so that they can go ahead and download it and print it. And the third step for how to make coloring books to sell is now that your printable ebook is done, go ahead and upload it on your website so that once it's available for sale, you are a published author. That's it. You're published, girl. Congratulations. You can use any website hosting platform you want to. Some people use Wix, some people use Etsy, some people use WordPress, some people use Shopify, some people use Thinkific. It doesn't really matter, honestly, which platform you use, just list it for sale. Once your coloring book is listed for sale, you are officially a self-published author. That's how simple this stuff is. Okay, so I haven't actually created the entire coloring book. This is but I'm just going to show you for all adult coloring book for stress relief, printable. So I'll just title it and you just go to share. You'll click download, put PDF print because this is a printable, flatten that bad boy and click download. And now you're going to get the file that you're going to deliver to people when they purchase. Let's go ahead and let that save. Perfect. And then now you're also going to need this front page and a couple of the interiors as well, I would recommend, just to give them a little sample. So I'm going to download 2 images. I'm going to download the JPEGs, and I'm going to download the first image so that I have the title page. And then I'm going to also download the second image so that I have a little sample to show them, both as JPEGs. I need to make sure I mention to you, copyright your stuff because you just want to have legal protection. So go ahead and register this bad boy. so that you are protected if somebody copies you. Okay. And then I'm just going to demonstrate using PayHip just because it's super easy. It's free of charge. Let me know if you want a full PayHip tutorial. So I'm just going to click add new product. It's like digital product, upload product. And I'm going to upload my actual coloring book file, the printable. I'll put the name here, Floral Coloring Book for Stress Relief Printable. I'll sell it for $9.99. I'll upload my image, upload another image that they have a little sample, and then I'll put my sales letter. In this coloring book for stress relief, you'll get 40. I mean, I didn't create 40, but we're pretending here. Coloring book pages to help you relieve stress as you enjoy the beautiful images of flowers. These are printable files, so you can color over and over again with crayons, markers, and any other type of coloring you desire to do. And then I will put also, I like to just insert another image as well. My little sample, open, just in case they don't see it. And then make sure it's visible and click add product. I'll click show me my products page. And now sis, this is available for sale. Look at this. It's available for sale. I mean, this isn't a real website, so it's not really available for sale, but if I had my Stripe connected or my PayPal connected, somebody would go ahead and be able to purchase this right now. And that's how easy it is. That's how easy it is to become a self-published author. You don't need to make it crazy for yourself. You don't need to get overwhelmed. Just watch a tutorial. Tutorials are going to be your best friend. Watch a tutorial, take action, and become self-published. If you want to see how to make 9 other types of faith-based books, including nonfiction books, daily devotionals, Bible study guides, planners, girl, I've recorded so many types of tutorials. Go ahead and come join me in the God the Wood Girl Faith-Based Author School. Just like in this video, I literally recorded myself step by step doing this stuff. And actually this coloring book in the Faith-Based Author School, you're going to see how I made this coloring book in the adult coloring book class. So that's there too. Let me give you a little sneak peek. Hey, it's your girl, Steph Rodness. And if you've been struggling to move forward on your journey as a faith-based author, I've created a brand new community called the God the Wood Girl Faith-Based Author School, just for women like you who want to move forward in your purpose as a woman of Christ, writing books. The school includes the Author Toolkit, which has 10 tutorials for 10 different types of Christian books you can write, including nonfiction books, daily devotionals, prayer journals, ebooks. There's a lot in there. You'll get access to the God the Wood Girl Book Funnel Toolkit, which shows you how to take your book, bundle it up, and put it into a sales funnel, including a lead magnet funnel, a tripwire funnel, and my very favorite, a webinar funnel. You'll get access to the book promotion toolkit, which shows you how to create a marketing plan to promote your funnel, because in order for people to buy our books, right, we have to tell them about it. And that's what the marketing toolkit shows you how to do. Plus, you'll get access to a community of other women who are writing faith-based books just like you are. Sis, you do not have to do this alone. Come join the brand new God the Wood Girl Faith-Based Author School so you can get the tutorials you need, you can get the community you need, and most importantly, you can get the network that you need to step into your purpose as a faith-based author. I can't wait to see you there. Visit ChristianAuthorSchool.com to fill out the application form and apply today. If you're not ready yet to officially get started publishing your books, but you just want the steps to starting your book business, make sure you watch my Start Your Book Business Challenge by clicking the link in the description box below. And don't forget to watch this video for even more information about how to step into your purpose as a faith-based author. I can't wait to see you there.